Hey everyone, Coach K here. Today we're going to talk about OKEx and why you should trade with OKEx. And we're going to look at their new DEX platform and show you how to actually set it up and use it. Because for some people, this can be a little bit of a daunting task. I want to give you guys the rundown really quick in the next 5 minutes. So don't leave, stay with me, and let's get started. So first thing we're going to do is go right on to OKEx.com. And we're going to look at the different OKEx tools and instruments. So we go to trade and we can see you can buy easily cryptocurrency with your MasterCard or Visa card. You can spot trade, perpetual trade up to 100x leverage, margin trade. So borrowing some funds from the exchange to buy assets, then pay them back. Futures trading with expiring contracts, and then options trading. So those are all different tools, but we have this new one called the OKEx or OK Chain DEX. Well, first thing you need to know is you must have 10 OKB. If you do not have 10 OKB, you will not be able to get the testnet tokens. So make sure that you have at least $50 of OKB or so, or 10 OKB. Well, looking here, we can go on to DEX trading and we can start trading or claim test tokens. You're going to need to do both of these, but I'm going to show you two places that you can claim test tokens and how to set up your wallet. The first thing you need to do when you're setting up your wallet is creating it. Okay, so you're going to go in it's going to look like OKEx normally, but it's going to say create wallet, similar to other DEX platforms. You're going to create your own wallet with a 10-digit password. You're going to go through the mnemonic phrase. You're going to do all of that. And I'm going to go do that really quickly with you and pause at certain points so you don't see certain pieces of information. All right, so I'm going to use my password, right? Set up a really strong one that will be confirmed by the platform is good. You're going to click next. It will then show you mnemonic phrase. You're going to fill in that information. Go do that right now. Okay, so you should now be at this point where you have the three, selecting your three. So I'm not worried about that. Let's show number 1 was rough, number 10 was faint, and number 9 was flight. So you're just gonna do the exact same thing as I just did here. You're gonna confirm it, and then you can go to trade. Now you have a wallet that's set up with a secure password on OK Chain. Now you have your wallet. You can see your wallet address right here, and you can look for assets. Now what you're going to see is you don't have any assets, which you may find a problem because you need the assets to trade. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to that other one, and we see we can claim testnet token right here. You may also be able to do that under help claim testnet token. So you just click on that. Okay, what you're also going to need is your OKS address. So you have to go back here to your wallet and copy your address so that when you go to claim your token, you have the address right here. You paste it just like that and confirm. Now it's successful. So when I go back and do that exact same step again, I'm going to click on my wallet and asset a balance. Now you can see I have 1 Bitcoin testnet Bitcoin, 1,000 OKB, 1,000 OKT, as well as 100 USDK. Now we can actually go and trade on the DEX. Let's say I want to trade this level. So I want to trade at 87.23. I want to go short. So all I'm going to do is click sell or buy, right? We have limit orders, so it's pretty simple. I'm going to sell at that price, and I'm going to sell, let's say I'm going to sell 50% of my TBTC. Okay, so $4,000. I'm going to sell that. There it is. My order is open, and it is waiting for that order to be complete. Let's say I want to make an order that goes through right away. I can click on this one and I can sell into that order. So let's say I want to sell 25% of my TBTC or so, something like that, at this level. I'm going to click on there and click sell, and it will automatically fill. Boom, you see how it came right off there? And so that's gone through. Now, how do we know on a DEX that it went through? Well, we have a couple things. We have our order history, which we have there. We have details here, and we can also go into our wallet and look at the actual transaction records there as well. Okay, so we went through the whole entire DEX, how to use it, look at transactions, make trades, and all of that. So you should feel really adept and comfortable with the testnet to start using it on your own. I hope you found value in this video, and if you did, do subscribe, like, and share this video, and I'll see you guys soon. #TradeWithOKEx. Coach K, signing out.